Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the HP Chrome laptop and signing in. This gives you access to Chrome OS and Cloud Sync. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi so updates and apps can download immediately, and make sure to sign into your Google account so bookmarks and settings restore. I'll explain why. Network access enables security patches and app installs, while account sync saves time and keeps files consistent across devices. So get these essentials done first before installing. Next, you configure core settings so the laptop behaves the way you need it to. Start with display, keyboard, and power options to conserve battery and improve comfort. Change brightness and set sleep timings. Then install apps from Google Play or the Chrome Web Store. Pick essential tools first, like a file manager and extension for ad blocking, because they speed workflows. Make sure to review privacy and permission settings so location, camera, and microphone access match your security preferences. Finally, you organize files and set up backups so data stays safe. Move documents into Google Drive or an external SSD and enable offline copies for travel. Once done, enable two-step verification on your account to protect sync and payments. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart first. If issues persist, power wash to reset Chrome OS. But note this erases local data, so back up beforehand. If you still need help, contact HP support and provide your serial number and Chrome OS version for faster assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.